And here she is, a 1988 Club Car DS 36 volt electric golf cart that I just purchased for fun and entertainment and maybe a little bit of work. And it's got a few modifications, and that's one of the reasons why I purchased it, because it is already modded out a little bit, and I'm going to further mod it out some to suit me. But anyway, this is it as I picked it up, took it home, and she ain't pretty. Oh no, she ain't pretty. She's rough, no doubt about it. She's rough. But, you know, the tires are still good. Not my preferred tire. They're tearing the hell out of the lawn. But, you know, I kind of like the diamond plate. You know, I'm not really sure about the sound system. Didn't really need one. I could have just hung a Bluetooth speaker from the ceiling or something. But, you know, the black's alright. It is missing a headlight. Hopefully I can source that and either get a replacement or just replace them both. But the fog lights work, and it does have a 6-inch lift, so it's lifted. You know, redneck approved. But yeah, it's rough, man, no doubt about it. I mean, you see, it's just, you know, has a shitty paint job, I guess. You see it's all chipped and, you know, there's crap. Of course, I took it through the woods last night, so, you know, but it's just all nasty, and it needs to be cleaned up, given a little bit of love. Ooh, see, look at that. Ooh, more speakers. Cool, huh? I like the retro taillights, though, with the little centers in them. I like them a lot. But it's just a cool cart, man. It's just an electric cart. You know, I take the trash out, go get the mail, run around the property, make sure there's no trespassers, that sort of thing. Maybe go visit the neighbors, I don't know. Maybe take it on road trips, camping or something. I don't know. It's just a big toy. It should give me something to do for the next couple of weeks through winter. Anyway, that's it. I'm out.